the maybe previously here in near about the Kota city, or also coming with a 7 days, 10 days time and coming that okay we are only having 7 days leave, so would like to pursue. One of the candidate who was coming from the Sikar state away, only Saturdays leave. He was basically manager in the one of the university and pursuing his all the means discipline work as well as the construction work. He was previously 15 years in the some of the Gulf country. He was coming for the primavera. So this is for the engineers who are freshers. We are basically recommending this course, and who are basically with the experience. This is an advanced course and popular internationally. You can go with the one of the video also. The Vardhaman University, who is basically conducted one video, Introduction to Project Management. You just put the name Sandeep Sharda. There is a video of the 10 years for these two courses. Now coming there, who should pursue those particular type of nature of course? Now again, for I am telling you one thing that we have basically the construction is a never-ending process. So definitely any of other courses you can have a choice, but specifically the candidates who lead among the group, who can join and initiate the work for any of the type of nature of the activity. Like suppose some event management is given to you, but out of that maybe one is the thinking that I am the initiator and I will just make the team and who is going to do that. So the initiators and having the potential of basically aligning all the team members with their particular in the area skill and taking a lead role as a resourcefulness. Lead role means not as a basically monitor, but lead role as a resourcefulness. I am having that particular resourcefulness like that. Okay, among those particular my colleagues, if I will say this team is going to work in this particular function of in that particular our work, then I am confident that they are going to do that. This is called as a resourcefulness. So once you have that particular kind of income and your intrinsic property deliberately developed or maybe developed intrinsically over a period of time, that you are going to coordinate a big group, lead the big group, and you have a passionate for the hard working, taking some risk factors also, pressure also for deadlines, dates, because the project is also having the deadline dates, having that temperament, then those particular kind of nature characteristics, persons, engineers are well suited for those particular line. Beside that, now you just see the contradictory. If you are going with the design, passionate is there, but the risk taking capacity during the design is not there. Team building is may not be more at a finished stage rather than here. It is here, but it is not here. So here the coordination among the group, leading the group, initiator, those kind of your pursuance and your mindsets, your initiative, intrinsic property, ACOM, you have already developed. Those particular kind of nature of engineers are going to definitely having the more success in those particular kind of your stream of skill courses. Now coming to the maintenance related. Now maintenance again, it is in the industry practices divided as a rotating equipment maintenance, rotating equipment and stationary equipment. Stationary equipment. Now as far as rotating equipment is concerned, there is a very good and specific course is the vibration technology. Vibration technology level 1. Vibration technology level 1. Again level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 1 is the first course which the engineers directly as a freshers can do. Now this course is pertaining to what happens by this particular course. Basically whatever is the rotating equipments are there in the industry. Can you see maybe there is a slightly higher vibration? Could we stop the equipment? We cannot stop because it is in a series of your production unit. Because those particular equipment are like steam turbine, like other compressors, pump platforms are basically meant for a one equipment in between of a series of your production. So we cannot stop the one particular equipment, otherwise the whole production it is going to be stopped. So what happens that particular those engineers are being trained that particular vibration level is going to the alarming limit or not of a catastrophic failure of equipment. If it is not, then run it continuously, monitor it with some vibration signature like ECG. There is a continuous online vibration monitoring system is there. So you also learn during that certification course those particular vibration monitoring system with the different type of your problem in the equipment. It is giving the different signs of the your signatures with the different graphical arrangements. So this is also known as the vibration technology or the condition monitoring. You can see the condition monitoring also in your that particular while searching through the Google, the condition monitoring course. So these are also very versatile because every industry is having the rotating equipment. Without pump you cannot lift any liquid. Without compressor you cannot make some pressure built up to that particular your gases or fluids. So every industry is having, even in the your automobile industry also. Because you are going to have a melting furnaces, so those particular molten material is also going to be transferred to the particular positions. So those pumps are there. Those now coming to the stationary equipment, as I already told you that there are so many of the stationary equipment like column vessels and your exchangers. Those exchangers maintenance is also very typical. I am telling you, there are different 6 or 7 type of exchangers are there in the industry practice. How to clean those particular exchangers during maintenance? What are their design, different design, and how those particular lifting equipments are going to be used like cranes and hydra for basically maintenance. It's a basically kind of your technique as well as your some common sense with the some particular knowledge of your those maintenance practices. So there are courses for the 6 months as well as 3 months for the static equipment also. So whosoever now coming to what kind of nature of particular engineers should go in those particular skill type courses so that they are going to having the more fruitfulness. Now I am telling you, might be among your group also, the people are going to have a making the stories beside their problem or beside no problem. Anyone who is not conducting their homework but they are very well versed in making their particular problems in front of their particular specific faculty teacher, or maybe that because of that so many of that reason only. And sometimes they make the stories like that, they do not know so many things but they make the stories. What happened in maintenance due to the process in the process plant, failure of the equipment may be small, but the maintenance engineer make a panic. So because of your malfunctioning in the particular plant, this my equipment is badly damaged and this will take now not before 24 hours I cannot do the maintenance. Maybe it is going to require 6 hours, but he is making the panic situation. The kind of nature of those particular requiring a small jari booty and you are bringing the all the this big mountain, and in front of that big mountain you are going to tell this may be the jari booty, this may be the jari booty, this may be the jari booty, or otherwise you will tell this my pump failure, this may lead to this item failure, this item failure, this item failure, I do not know. Once we will open then we can only tell you, or they are going to precisely tell the specifically lie also. It is not exactly the lie, but the things they make like that. And they are also predominant do their particular white shirt with some small grease coming to the side and showing it that how does this particular equipment fail, see that how it is happening. My technicians also day night doing that, and I do not know. And the persons who are basically make themselves also a specific nature of knowing the things and hiding the things. I know that answer, but I am hiding because nobody else is knowing because of my importance. because there are 15 engineers among in the one plant for the maintenance, but the 2 engineers, 3 engineers are so predominated, they are knowing the some particular technique, some maintenance specific work. Once that particular pump damage, equipment damage, then how to rectify it, and having the relationship with the technicians. Beside that, learning something with them, and as well as delivering as a supervisory role with them. Because all the things you may not be knowing the day one or maybe over a period of time, but the learning slowly with your subordinates as well as your predominating skills for your supervisory role. Those particular kind of nature of engineers are well suited for this type of course and this type of line pursuance. I am telling you frankly, I have seen those engineers and they are very well versed with the management eyes. That those particular engineers telling, once they've been called by the management, vice president, executive director, sir, we did that, no problem. It was really a big mistake, blunder mistake, but sir, you don't worry. But once they go to the general manager, sir, what happened? How these people are doing such blunders? See, our department from the day night 2 days since there at the site, and my engineers, my subordinates, my technicians were there. Sir, you please make a memo to them. Next time they should take care, or otherwise their engineers should be trained again with the refresher training courses, so that those such malfunctions should not occur. They will inform us before that particular equipment fails. See the level of the communication with the top executive and your middle executive whilst you are communicating. And once you are coming to your technician level or supervisor level, don't worry, do it. I am here. Just open, we'll see. Sir, there is a big problem. I do not know what happened to the equipment here. Don't worry. Sir, you please check the spares. Okay, you don't worry, I will just check. Send somebody that going to check the spares availability in the stores. Okay, you don't worry, just open, we'll see. Okay, what happened? Nothing, sir, this is here, this is, no problem. You know all these things you are doing since last 10 years. Okay, continue, we'll see. We'll inform the management how they are already maintaining this, making the malfunctioning and problem and the irritating those equipments and not giving us to the in time, so that we can maintain those equipment like that. You see the changes in the communication. Those particular kind of now what I am telling, they are precisely trailing and motivating the lie, but it is not a lie. That's why I am giving those examples. So those particular kind of nature of particular engineers for those particular stream, mechanical stream, are going to be studied, even the electrical also. Now coming to the HSE environment. देखिए सेफ्टी कोर्सेस for the 6-month period, 12-month period are well suited nowadays. There is a huge demand after your BTech. Or some particular government organization conducting the written examination, and they are going to have those particular courses for 6 months or 12 months as a diploma certification course. Nagpur, one of the famous safety management course, 30 seats only, I think. Or maybe now it is must be increased some of the number of seats. So they are also conducting the full-fledged engineering also. Once you have a mechanical engineer, you can go with that particular engineering course as a diploma. Very handsome requirements are available, or you can engage in the government organization as well as the private organizations. Now coming to the environment, there are two different courses. One is ISO 14000 certification course, and one is ISO 9000. Again, this is a lead auditor course also, and in the come under the your HSE practices also. These two courses, ISO 14000, IAQM in Jaipur, International Institute of Quality Management, they are also conducting those courses for the freshers also. So those particular courses are also being a now mandatory requirement of the organizations to have those those particular engineers in the organization, because pollution control board, environment, compulsory requirement, as a policy of the government, it is going to be mandatory for role fitting. That who is going to certify your particular the pollutants which are going to come out from your industry, which you are basically discharging to the river or as your solid bed or to the gaseous from the chimney. How you are going to control the only the plain smoke or the clean smoke is going to the atmosphere, not the other particles. So those particular ISO 14000 courses are pertaining with the mechanical engineers. It is going to a versatile course. Other engineers who are not basically meant for the technical side graduations are going to also doing those particular courses, but they are not going to meant in the technical areas as a deputation, permanent deputation, or maybe your fraction of deputation. But once you are going to with your technical leading courses, once you are doing this is again a feather in your particular degree with feather, big feather. And this is going to lead, I am telling you, this is a versatile used, and this particular course it is going to be mandatory over on the world nowadays. Whether it is a aeronautical engineering, whether it is a emissions from the any industry, whatever may be. And similarly for the aeronautical engineers, this NDT courses, whatever is the land of any of the flight which is going to land in any of the your area of airport, it is going to be being tested again NDT without fail. Whether it is a DPT or RT depending upon the condition of your flight or your Boeing. So this is also one of the versatile course. Safety is also a versatile course. Again, the engineers who are loving with that particular nature caring, atmosphere caring, greenery caring, those particular characteristics inbuilt or as intrinsic characteristics, those particular nature kind of persons are going to be fitted in those particular courses. Because safety also you are going to be very conscious. You are going to give the guidance to the people. Guidance nature, environment guidance nature, safety guidance nature, those particular kind of nature you are already built in over a period of time or in the intrinsic property. Those particular courses are going to very suffice the fulfillment of your career. Now coming to those courses also you can go online and check. One is the IIQM in Jaipur, I am telling you. Again you can check some particular safety courses and they are conducting the written examination and they are taking it. And I am telling you frankly, once you did this 6 month or 12 month course after you BTech from any of the government organizations, you are not going to leave for a Monday there in the campus. You are going to directly get from their campus to your industry. Connect. Now coming to the ERP module courses. Now, as far as ERP is concerned, ERP is the Enterprise Resource Planning. Correct? You may be heard the name of the SAP also. SAP should not be called as a SAP. I am telling you, the SAP is the SAP only. System Application Product. So ERP is the basically umbrella. Under the umbrella, SAP is the one of the German company who is basically well known from as a pioneer. Now, as far as mechanical engineers is concerned, there are two predominated courses which are leading to the ERP. One is the materials management and one is the PM, plant maintenance and materials management, or sometimes it is known as the project management also. So materials management is you can just imagine under the materials management there is a purchasing module, sub-module, there is a inventory sub-module, there is a logistics, there is a supply chain. These are your specific sub-modules. So can you imagine this materials management only in the software? This is an integrated software, so we cannot say the particular software, the Oracle may be your behind the software or maybe the other particular your softwares who are basically having the complete integrated these certified courses. In Ahmedabad also we were basically planning to have those particular courses as a software available in our campus. but this particular file I do not know, basically this is not being approved. We were trying basically for mechanical as well as for the MBA professionals, both of them. So, and again we have tried for that particular maybe a training courses which we can conduct. This we are basically just in process of that for mechanical engineers as well as the MBA aspirants. So coming to that, so materials management and this project management or the plant maintenance. These two are the very versatile courses, ERP, SAP, or maybe ERP somewhere else. But now coming to what are the levels of those particular courses, what type of certification we are getting in. It is important, not only doing the course, nobody is going to engage you. Once you know those particular level of certification course, the first level is as a consultant. Consultant, this is a level 1. Second is your as far as my knowledge is concerned, it is your maybe a consultant level 2. Consultant level 2 with a diagnostic approach in software. With a diagnostic approach in software, consultant 1 during the organization. If there is a problem, you are going to have as a materials manager or materials management. This particular course, if you did as a consultant 1, some of the level of diagnostic problem you are going to handle in the organization. Beside, you are being a mechanical engineer performing the task of purchasing in a particular organization, means particular setup as a functional setup. Beside that, you are going to have a consultant 1, means you are going to have a diagnostic approach for making some particular level of the problem solutions. Then again it is a consultant 2, and third is the masters. These masters, as far as SAP is concerned, they are only conducting in Germany and they are directly recruiting themselves there. Because it is you are going to practice on the maybe changes on the software and some other allied facility. So they are going to retain themselves there. But definitely you are going to go with that in the sequence order. First this, second this, third this. After this, you may have certain number of year experience, then this, then this. In Jaipur also there are some consultants are there who are conducting in the regular practice of as a consultant with the so many of the organizations. They are not particularly with the one organization as a employee, but they are performing their own consultancies for the so many of the organizations. And few of them I know, they are not even technical courses, with the commerce graduate, with the non-technical graduations. They are performing. And today, maybe in Calcutta, tomorrow in Bangalore, like that 15 days travel with that, they are doing any consultant work. Or you can directly get engaged in some of the work with that. Now, beside that, there are two things are left. One is, now, what type of characteristics those particular kind of nature of engineers should basically choose those particular kind of your certification course. Can you tell now? What kind of basically nature or intrinsic property of a person who should go with those particular kind of courses so that they can lead in with the interest and go with the long life career.
So good purchasing qualities.
Good purchasing quality, okay, one of them, correct. Others who are maintaining the throughout the so many of the documentation, remember the things, because this particular system, materials management, I am telling it is a 1000, 2000 number of sheets different. Once you go with the path, this path, this path, this path, there are so many of the display dialog box. You know so many things you can retain as a documentation center. You are not having the, see, there is a beside very specific difference, very with the boundary line difference. Here in NDT you are diagnostic approach. Here no diagnostic approach, but you are retaining the things which are available. And you can tell from your chair also on telephone that you want to go that inquiry document, just go with that, with this path and this, and then there will be dialog box and you can enter those particular details. So those retention of your documentation, keeping update yourself with those particular updations, it is a kind of nature of persons who are going to well suited in those particular courses. Because they are having the conceptually in their mind set up that whatever is the lengthy documentation is there, I am going to retain it with the some of the steps, I know that and retain that, and then tell about the purchasing cycle also. Some of them you can just give the reference, okay, last year you can go ahead with that, you just check in the system, there are those particular vendors are there, list is there, and you just check and the list is there. You must be having the some of the persons in the banking services also, they are very frontal in their particular codifications, especially in the privatization banks, because it is in a global basis banking system throughout the network. So those particular kind of nature of particular persons are well suited in those particular kind of basically the skill courses which are going to fit in for the career life. Now coming to another two aspects which are going to left here. One is the age of faculty members or the teachers in the your 11th and 12th pursuing, which is also one of the now the one gray area which we can also see. The persons who are having the interest of their particular basic concepts which they are leading in from their 8th class onwards, and they are basically pursuance and having the impact on those, that I don't want to go with those particular theoretical aspects to retain here and don't want to explore them with the industry. So those